How to save contacts to Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Contacts on your device. Click on Organize at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Export to File. Then click on the Google account you want to export from and press on Export. You can change the name if you want. If not, save it. Then open Chrome and search contacts.google.com. You will be logged into your account. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Import. Then click on Select File. Then select the file you copied or saved earlier. After you've clicked on the file, click on Import, and all the contacts will be imported here. This is how to save contacts to Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.